Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Ayisyen. I am back from Haiti, and today I would like to share with you what it's like to visit Haiti as an American in 2025. I hope you'll follow along and enjoy the beautiful view. Many people don't realize that Haiti is just a 2-hour flight from Florida. But coming from Missouri, I grabbed my first flight around 5 p.m. and overnighted in Miami. My next flight left at 7 a.m. and got into Cap-Haitien, Haiti around 9 a.m. I always choose to sit by the windows if I have a choice to see the beautiful view below all of the Caribbean islands. There's truly nothing like that magnificent view. Landing in Cap Ayisyen, I was greeted with 95 degrees and sunny skies. Something I also enjoy about landing in Haitian airports is being able to walk out of the plane onto the runway and see how everything works from there instead of having to go straight into the building. We went through customs pretty quickly and started heading out of the city. Our next stop was Hinche, Haiti, or Hinche, and it is a 4-hour drive from Cap Haitien over horrible roads. Takes forever to get there, even though it is less than 60 miles from the airport. Hinche is a pretty large town and about 45 minutes away from Mirebalais, where we used to be stationed before gangs took over in March. When we arrived, we went to La Réflexion Hotel, a small little hotel that we had been to before. We have always been happy with their service. It's $40 a night for a room with 2 beds, running water, electricity. They have a generator that goes through the night. It's not the most beautiful place, but it meets our needs, and we have always been happy with their service. Something I always miss about Haiti is waking up to the roosters crowing and the bright sunshine every morning. I also miss Haitian coffee and bread, one of the staple breakfasts in Haiti. So delicious. And these little bananas that are so sweet and way different than the bananas that we have in the US. After eating breakfast, we headed out, and this would be the day that we took the greatest risk going 4 hours south into the countryside of Chevry. We had to pass through Peleg, which you are seeing here in the video, and Peleg is about 20 minutes from Mirebalais, where the gangs currently have control. Peleg has a giant dam and is now currently the center of commerce. When Mirebalais is blocked off, they are bringing across shipments of items to sell over the bridge and filling up these trucks that are going to go north with it and bring a lot of people their livelihoods. Lunch was riz sauce pois sauce viande poule, or rice, bean sauce, and chicken sauce. We ate it on the way to Bukankare, which you are seeing here. Bukankare is the end of the road for our vehicle. From there, we had to walk on foot and cross a river. After that, we took a motorcycle and some more walking to get to where we were going to visit our family. Being carried across the river was a new experience for me. I had not done that in Haiti yet. It was very muddy. Everywhere was very muddy. And we actually had a motorcycle accident where I burned my leg going down a hill that looks like this one in the picture whenever the brakes gave out. Ouch. There's a funeral going by. We finally made it to see our family, and they were so thrilled, and we were so thrilled. And of course, I left with food, which is always the case if you have been around Haitian households. They never send you empty handed. I enjoyed some fried plantains and some fried breadfruit as well. While in Chevry, I also got to visit the church that we have been helping to build for the past few years and check up on them, which was a plus. Of course, we had more coffee the next day and most of the days after that. The coffee is made fresh, roasted over a fire, and pre-sweetened before it is boiled and made in pour-over style. And a lot of people will buy canned milk if they prefer milk in their coffee and eat it alongside bread. Haitians do not typically enjoy coffee without bread on the side because they think it will cause stomach issues. Later in the morning, we also ate some pate, which is a fritter type thing with meat and vegetables and eggs inside of it. I spent a lot of time at the hotel because I had my 16-month-old daughter with me, and it wasn't really safe for us to get around town much, especially without a vehicle. But there was plenty to see and do just being in the yard there, and we enjoyed the break. We did make it out to town to visit friends and to get my nails done once. And I noticed that the streets have fallen into disrepair much more than they had in the past because of the lack of government. And there's a lot of places that are just flooded and broken. It's really sad to see. The baby enjoyed riding the motorcycle, and it was great to be on a motorcycle again, something I don't get to do here in the States. I really enjoyed being out, even if it was for a short time. You can get your nails done in Haiti for about $10 for hands and feet, which is really great, and they do a good job. For lunch, we had ziwi kole, sauce viande, and banam. And then we were headed back to Cap Haitian, and we headed out in the rain. It rained the entire trip, but we were in a better vehicle this time, so the road and all the bumpiness was not as intolerable as it was on the way down. Stay tuned to see the remainder of my trip and the adventures I had in Cap Ayisyen. Like, subscribe, and follow along for more.